Hi everyone, welcome to this K-pop dance tutorial. My name is Marina and today we'll be learning the first chorus choreography from BLACKPINK's Jump. I've broken the routine down into 9 sections, so it's simple to follow whether you're a beginner or more experienced. Quick note though that this tutorial is mirrored, so when I move to the left side, it means that it's also your left side, and when I move to the right side, it's also your right side. So get comfortable, keep some water nearby, and let's get started. Let's look at the first section with counts. No need to move yet, just observe and we'll break it down together in a moment. So the first section goes like 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's learn it together step by step. So we're starting with our body facing to the right side and leave your space to walk in from the right side. And for our legs, we do the step with the left leg forward and then put our feet together. So when you put the feet together, you also turn your body to the front. For our upper body, when we do the step forward, we emphasize with our shoulder this move by rolling it forward and then back. So again, 1, 2, and. So on end, you just slide across your lips and then relax your hand. Left knee is also relaxed. And then we do point, point, point. So after you relaxed your right hand, you also relaxed your left and your knees are straightened. And then we do 1, 2, 3 with our fingers. So just index finger, middle finger, and ring finger, you extend them. And we do it by hitting forward, forward, and forward. So in total, we hit 4 times. The first 3 times, they say 하나, 둘, 셋. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then when they say twio, you just hit the last time and you extend your thumb, index, and middle fingers. And you just go up with your hand like this. So again, 하나, 둘, 셋, twio. So let's try this first section with counts slowly from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on to the second section, let me show it to you first. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's break it down step by step. So we don't jump on count 1, but we prepare our body for the jump on count 2. So what we do, just bend your knees a little bit and start rotating your body to the right side with your right shoulder. So it looks like 1. And what Jenny does, she just keeps the eye contact with the audience while her body is turning to the right. And now we are ready to start jumping. So we jump on our left leg and extend the right leg. Okay, so let's try on count 2. Just jump, extend your right leg, your left knee is bent and right knee is straight. And the direction for me goes in diagonally to the left side, then diagonally to the right side. And then we are turning, and then again diagonally to the right side. So let's try jumping. First we jump to this direction, then here. So jump, and again we will turn to the audience and jump diagonally to the right. Like this. For the hands, it's just freestyle. You can go like this when jumping, or all the way up like Rose does, or do whatever feels good to you. So let's try. For me personally, I just hold them like this when jumping. So we do 2, 3, 4. After this, for our legs, we're gonna switch them. So right now you extend your left leg and you're gonna jump 4 times on the right leg. So we do 1, 2, 3, and then on 4th time, you just bring your heel up. So it goes 4. For their hands, you're just doing circle, circle, circle with your hands. So imagine you are jumping rope. Let's connect hands and legs together. So we do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, you just do the last circle and fix it at the back, and your head is also going backwards like this. So you are finishing in this position. Let's try again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's review the second section slowly with counts. We finish the first section in this position, and then we do 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on to the third section, let me show it to you first. So we finished in this position, and then we do 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For their lower body, we're going to jump 6 times, but the way we jump is just like this. So you put your right hip out and heels are facing right side as well, and you bend your knees, and then we alternate to the left, alternate, and again and again. So this in total 6 times. And for the hands, for the first 2 counts, we're gonna place them behind our head. So it's on 1, 2, and then on 3, 4, we're gonna bring them up so your elbows are straight and you keep your right hand with your left palm like this. So 3, 4, and then on 5, you're gonna bring your right hand down, and then on 6, you're gonna bring your left hand down too. So let's connect hands and legs together from here. 7, 8, we jump 1, and then 2, and then up 3, 4, then right hand down, 5, left hand down, 6. And while you are jumping and doing all these hand movements, you can just tilt your head to the right and left slightly, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you just like slightly moving your head. And then on 7, we're gonna step out with our right foot, and on 8, bring it slightly in. For the hands, when we step out, we bring and extend our right arm to the right side, and you also look to the right side here, and your left arm is just relaxed. And then we bring across our right arm to the right side, so from here to the center and then to the right, and at the same time your left hand is doing the circle above our head. So just like this. Let's try again. 6, 7, and then 8. Let's review this third section slowly with counts, starting from here. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's proceed to the first section, and let me show it to you first. So we finished here. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. For the hands, we finished in this position, and then we place our left arm down, and at the same time we extend thumb, index and middle fingers out, so it's like a gun sign here, and we're going to roll forward our shoulder. So we do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and make sure to emphasize the first roll and the third one, so it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For the legs, we do tiny steps in place, but also make sure to emphasize the first one and the third one. So you just dive deeper and bend your right knee deeper and slide your left foot in the air. So together with hands, it goes like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we bring our right arm to the top, also keep this gun sign, and we're gonna hit to the shoulder with our left forearm 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For the legs, we're going to jump 4 times. So we do kick up with left heel, then jump on the left heel and kick up with your right heel, then left heel and right heel again. It's also like you are drawing a circle with your heels, so you can practice like this. 1 and 2 and let's try to connect hands and legs together. So we finished here, 3, 4, and then we do jump, 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 jump. Now let's review the whole first section from the top slowly with counts, starting from here. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing job, Marinas. We are halfway there. Now, to make sure that you remember everything, we are going to review from the very top, from the first section, starting from here, remember? So let's try. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it for the YouTube preview. If you'd like, add free tutorial and with online sections and full practice to music at different speeds all in one video, check out my website's link in the pinned comment or in the video description. You'll also get a PDF count guide for this lesson with each section written out in counts, plus even more K-pop dance tutorials to explore. Thanks for joining me today and see you next time. Bye!